Hello, welcome to Coachmichael101, where we listen to music, watch movies, check out other miscellaneous mayhem, and hopefully have some fun along the way. If you like what you see today, hit the like button, definitely leave a comment down below, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss a thing. We are back with another epic rap battle of history. Again, great channel. If you get a chance, go check them out. We're going to look at J.R.R. Tolkien versus George Martin. Lord of the Rings versus Game of Thrones. I've seen a few of these. I just watched Clint Eastwood and Bruce Lee, so I'm a little nervous putting these headphones on. But let's check it out and see where it goes.
George versus J.R.R. Tolkien! We got brace yourselves! Gather up your trolls and your soldier elves! And your ents and your orcs and your wargs and your stings, your dwarves and clam drains! Cause there's a new leader every lord in the ring! My readers fall in love with every character I've written, then I kill them. And they're like, what he did? All your bad guys die, your good guys survive. We can tell what's gonna happen a page in age 5. You're all seeing how to find some sex in your movies. Ditch the Goonie and cast a couple boobies. There's engineer plots and not David the Gnome. Your hobbit hole heroes can't handle my throne.
All right, so like usual, we're gonna play it all the way through now, and then we'll go back round by round. A lot of good stuff in there. Yeah, this is like it's gonna be fun.
Dragons, dwarves, horses, fortresses, magic, and swords. You have been my whole shit, you uninspired hack. You want a war, George? Welcome to Shire Rock. The book says I got nothing to say. I'm number 1 and 2. You're under 50 Shades of Grey. I got the pros of a pro. Your shit's a paw. You're a pirate. You even stole my RR.
They had to
We
be
all know the
intentional,
world
right?
is full of chance and anarchy. So yes, it's true to life for characters that die randomly. But newsflash, the genre's called fantasy. It's meant to be unrealistic. You myopic vanity. I conscientiously object to what you're doing on these beasts. I'll cut you like my teeth on Beauty and the Beast. You went too deep, Professor Tweed Pants. We don't need the backstory on every fucking tree branch. I cut my teeth in the trenches of the Somme. You locked your Santa Claus ass through Vietnam. And it's hard for me to take criticism on clothes. From a dude who sends a raven to say hi to his toes. You fat jokes are worse than your pipe smoke. My show's the hottest thing on HBO. I'm rock and roll, you're a nerdy little nebbish, and I may be dirty, but you got a hairy foot fetish, dog.
Wow.
Even the names of your characters suck. You got buffers and buffers and brandy bucks. I got a second breakfast for all them goofy fucks. Lift up my gut and teabagging's my nuts. C.S. Lewis and I were just discussing how you and Jon Snow both know nothing. Because the backstory on my box office is billions. Got my children making millions off my Silmarillions. And I'm more rock and roll than you ever been. Don't believe me? Ask Led Zeppelin. You can't reach this battle.
It's over. It's over. Over. Sorry, Martin, you can't claim to be rock and roll. Led Zeppelin uses Tolkien reference time. Let's back it up. It was a close one up there to the end. I'm gonna give it to Tolkien though. Tolkien in the end there, last second win, pretty close, good stuff. Let's check him out.
J.R.R. Tolkien! We got brace yourselves! Gather up your trolls and your soldier elves! And your ents and your orcs and your wargs and your stings, your dwarves and clam drains! Cause there's a new leader every lord in the ring! My readers fall in love with every character I've written, then I kill them. And they're like, what he did? All your bad guys die, your good guys survive! We can tell what's gonna happen a page in age 5! You're all seeing how to find some sex in your...
Like reference to Sauron, the all-seeing eye.
Ditch the Goonie and cast a couple boobies.
Yeah, there's definitely more boobies in the Martin universe.
It's not David the Gnome. Your hobbit hole heroes can't handle my throne. Kings, queens, dragons, dwarves, horses, fortresses, magic, and swords. You have been my whole shit,
He
you
did.
uninspired hack. You want a war, George? Welcome to Shire Rock.
Wow. The George war in Iraq references both President Bushes.
Book says you got nothing to say. I'm number 1 and 2. You're under 50 Shades of Grey. I got the
He's
pulse of
saying
a...
1 and 2, man. You're not even in the conversation for the top.
Your shit's subpar. You're a pirate. You even stole my RR.
Yeah. That had to be intentional, right? There had to be some PR person's plan. Hey, let's since you're in the fantasy realm, let's go and take the RR2 and the pirate reference.
No, the world is full of chance and anarchy. So yes, it's true to life for characters that die randomly. But newsflash, the genre's called fantasy. It's meant to be unrealistic, you myopic manatee. I conscientiously object to what you're doing on these beasts. I'll cut you like...
Is George R.R. Martin a conscientious objector? Is that what that comes from? Because there's a reference to Vietnam and, of course, World War One.
Teeth on Beauty and the Beast. You went too deep, Professor Tweed Pants. We don't need the backstory on every fucking tree branch.
Can be very wordy.
The trenches of the Somme. You locked your Santa Claus ass through Vietnam. And it's hard for me to take criticism on clothes. From a dude who sends a raven to say hi to its toes. Your fat jokes are worse than your pipe smoke. My show's the hottest thing on HBO. I'm rock and roll. You're a nerdy little nebbish, and I may be dirty, but you got a hairy foot fetish, dog. Even the names of your characters suck. You got buffers and bullfers and brandy bugs. I got a second breakfast for all them goofy fucks. Lift up my gut and teabagging's my nut.
Wordplay. Great wordplay.
Yes, Lewis and I were just discussing how you and Jon Snow both know nothing. Because the backstory on my box office is brilliant. Got my children making millions off my Silmarillions. And I'm more rock and roll than you ever been. Don't believe me? Ask Led Zeppelin. Can't reach this fellow. Shit, I'm too towering. Every time I battle, it's return to the king. Ho, whoa. Poster. You just saw.
Yeah. Martin, you can't make a reference that you're rock and roll. Led Zeppelin, probably the greatest rock and roll band ever, has repeatedly referenced J.R.R. Tolkien as an inspiration. Yeah, this definitely goes to Tolkien. Great video, fun video, but definite win on that side. So comment down below who you think you won, or who you think won. You didn't win. You weren't in the rap battle. But comment down below who you button, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss a video. Again, this is Coachmichael101, where we listen to music, watch movies, other miscellaneous mayhem, and have some fun along the way. I'll see you next video.